Shots fired! Shots fired! Jesus! Shots fired, County. Shots fired, kid! County, I need units now! County, he's fleeing in a vehicle at eastbound on Steel. Except for I got a white female just got out. She's walking southbound off of Steel. I got the female walking toward me. Who's that with you?
That was my boyfriend, but I didn't know he was out.
Why'd he pull a gun on me?
I swear I have no clue.
What the hell is he doing?
I don't know. I don't know.
Get on your knees.
Yes.
Alright, put that down. Do you have any weapons on you?
I don't have anything on me but
Alright, I'm going to put you in handcuffs because I don't know what I'm dealing with. Are you hit? Are you okay?
I'm just really scared and sick enough.
Okay.
Are you?
Alright, sit down. Hey, what's his name?